Feel what?
Try our nerves. Huh?
Yeah, Z. I always tell you that. We talking like whenever I'm coming back?
Yeah, come on.
Yo, like
when you just...
Okay, you see how we were when we just first met?
Mm.
And it's like we couldn't stop hanging with each other, we couldn't stop talking and whatever.
Mm.
Legit, every time I know I'm coming down here, I get nervous. Like, I get this excitement. Yo, as soon as I stepped on the plane, I got excited. I'm like, like one of those. I always say that.
Even last night, last night, right?
This morning I came.
Yeah. Like, I sit down and play a game on the phone. Like, no mind me, I say, yo. No, every time I just say, yo, I don't want you to come out and see me.
Yeah. I'm like, what? But you know what's funny?
But each time as me I walk on there, I always turn to me like, fucker.
No, remember that one time you scared me? When I was like fixing thing in my shoes and I seen someone come behind me and I'm like, what the? But as I came out, I was even trying to I kept my head kind of down. Like, I don't know why. Whenever I come at the airport, I was like, walk like this. Cause like, I get nervous. I was trying to call, I would call wouldn't go through. But at the same time, I'm just like, I didn't know if I should look left, right. I didn't want to come on like this. I didn't want to do that. So now when I got there and I didn't see him, I'm like, oh man, he's not here yet.
Huh?
I thought you weren't there yet.
Oh, so you're not me there, man. I said, oh, yes, I come on, come grab it back. And then that one time you ever catch you.
That one time, yeah.
Yeah, that time you always like.
I always catch you just in time. When you see the big smile, no, I'm like.
Alright, knock off my name.
I
need to knock off smile.
It's like when Ziggy picked me up from the airport. I'm like this, and I'm like. But you had a big grin on your face too.
So I must smile.
Why?
Yeah.
Why? Oh, Ziggy wifey come.
3 months. That far, that long,
Why did you have that in your mouth? Wow, it's raining.
Meditation.
So supposedly it's been raining like crazy night. No, your mom said morning? Night and morning.
No, man, she just said every day.
Every day it's been raining? And the night is so cool. It's like cool.
Boy, you didn't show you all the ears. Eh?
Not really.
How much you rate yourself?
What?
From like 1 to 10.
Like looks?
Yeah.
8.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I'll give you a 10.
Why would you give me a 10?
Look at this beautiful face. Are you fucking serious? If you could have given all 11, we give you 11, but you can't pass till you have it up with this. A big smile, check. Yes, that first man see, talk about people so they see your eyes. Then, see
you're the first person I ever said it was my smile. Most people always say the first thing that catch me is my eyes. Are you zooming in my face?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to show up a smile, gosh.
No, you can see
they only have 2 smile. 1, 3. One like a cute one. One really cute one. Extra cute one. When you show up a line gum.
No. When the gum comes out, then it's real. It's like.
Or real.
Then just teeth. Aren't you gonna pull this?
Yeah. Actually glad you come talk to me though.
Oh! You finally admitted!
What?
I came and I approached you.
Yeah, that's what I just said.
Remember when we first were talking, we're just like, just gonna keep it as friends, okay?
That's you.
You agreed.
Yeah, coming on make it thing look like,
like, oh shit. I friendzoned you. Yeah.
So then we have to just work with a little bit. Until Mrs. say, oh, like, I couldn't, couldn't hold out no longer. I have to just...
Guys, look who it is, Shanti. If you guys have been watching my vlogs and you've seen her before. What's your... After no one wants to video you. She shifted her head like, bitch, after you've been dissing me. Before she jumps up and scratched me. Shanti, good night. Shanti? Shanti, Shanti? She cut her eye. Least respectful, yo.
Oh, I must do it come in, man.
It's right over your head.
Is it?
You're so lie. Did you catch it? Lie. You're so
Seriously.
boost. Let it go then.
Seriously.
So why am I still singing? Why am I still singing behind you?
Catch. Dangerous, yo.
Oh shit.
Ah.
You're annoying.
Better than them.
Better than them. Better than them.
Hold it. Hey.
Look.
You're not have to finish off this sneeze, right? Yeah.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
So now Ziggy's gonna get fat. I know you're gonna go shell in a big plate of food. Lie?
Serious stock.
Yo, I know you. Ziggy, fix the jort. I'm gonna expose you, you know. Good morning, guys. Oh, I'm so tired, and my freaking eye is like irritating me. But I'm here doing some laundry, and I'm gonna make some breakfast for me and Ziggy. It's like raining outside. Morning. I'm here about to like pin up some clothes. Oh god, these stupid cats won't leave me alone, bro. Outside's so hot. I'm about to make some breakfast for me and Ziggy Bear. So we were supposed to go to the beach like early this morning, like we were trying to go around 7, 8, but that was the biggest fail because we went to bed late last night. For some reason we've been going to bed late and waking up late. It's so crazy, like we can't sleep in the night. So I don't know what we're doing today. We're supposed to go to a cookout or a bike show or something like that, but I don't know what Ziggy's saying. I'm trying to finish up this little bit of laundry that we have, so I guess we'll see how the day goes, right? I'm gonna finish cook up my plantain, so be right back because they're burning. Let me tell you guys how Jamaican guys do not like to wear clothes. I don't know why.
Save time at Jamaica.
The time is not hot. I don't know if you guys remember. Wait, if you guys remember this guy that was eating the marshmallow. Everyone said how you cheated the chubby bunny and you're eating it. And this is Bigger. I don't think I've ever seen him before other than Ziggy's snap.
Bigger. Damn hot.
Yeah, get that, you know.
This outside is not hot.
Damn hot.
You just got a tattoo?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why. Showing off his tattoo. Anyways, I want to go try upload these vlogs. Attempt. He doesn't listen though.
The people them internet fast, my girl, they're not here.
Where did I put them?
And I found it in Indonesia. That's why I found the lead nuts the other day.
But I'm not driving.
Yes, I'll show you. In I found I had to worry about it.
So I don't want to lose it.
Oh, you?
Is it yours? It's not supposed to jiggle like this.
A jump is not jumping up.
Ziggy,
What's
man.
up?
Yeah, rest don't probably show that too much.
Pardon me, I just this.
I didn't even punch you that hard.
No matter. I still punch you.
Ow! Ziggy. I'm telling on you. No, stop. It hurts. And you know I
So yeah, one man.
because you're gonna punch.
Say hello, bro.
I
Say
said
hello,
stop,
Pijo.
I'm done. I didn't even punch you that hard. Look, you can hold your pants.
So
Look,
what?
I hung up one of your boxes. There's a big hole. Ow! There's a big. Oh my god, yours.
Yes, he just pinched me
You're
somebody.
just jealous because your phone's mashed up and ugly. That's why. I
He
didn't
just
pinch.
pinched me.
So no pinch, you don't have to pinch me. You don't pinch me, no come in different thing.
Ziggy, can I ask you something? Look where you're dirtying me up just because you did. Stop!
You know what, me go lick you
I'm
there.
gonna.
Where you go fast forward? Let you go. Every time I go there, I clap fast. Yo. You now the road boss again.
Why?
Because you turn the camera down. Gaza, come here. Come here. Come here.
Pretty girl, me see. What's your? You want some Shanti?
Gaza, come here. Come here.
What the fuck?
Come here.
Bloody hell! Don't come near me.
You good?
Imagine if you killed a little puppy around here.
Come on.
This guy almost broke my camera just now.
I'm touching back your signal.
You're extra.
See it, my camera.
Ew! You see, we got Mugu on her face. Ah! That's how crazy it is when it comes to finding passengers.
You ready, boss? Stop here, go. Stop. How are you, man? Stop, mommy. Stop. Come on. You have some doctor.
Then almost no problem.
Yeah, man. Me tell you, man.
So right now we're in Savanna La Mar.
Alright, man, I'll grow enough. Watch.
Wait. Shout out to their ice cream truck. Too bad it's moving though. Okay, we just reached in the town picking up Ziggy's phone. This weather's so up and down. It's like hot and then it's like cool. Wait, right now we're just picking up his phone. I have to be careful how I video out here because you have some people that will literally cuss you out just for videoing.
You know what? It's true, Bob. I don't say his name, Bob.
Oh.
Outtings funny.
Eh?
Why not? It's the flash.
Big down.
stopped at this little place to get some food. We're supposed to get KFC, but I guess we're getting cooked food right now. Tadi
Pulang mau.